So in this video we are going to talk about the IQOO 12 Pro, which is going to release soonly in India. Let's first start with the display size. Yes, this mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of Quad HD plus dynamic AMOLED display. Quad HD plus resolution dynamic AMOLED display, and it is a 10-bit color supported display, and it also comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Vectors Plus protection. And probably this might be the display which comes with the highest peak brightness, that is almost like 3000 nits according to the rumors. And when we talk about the processor, yeah, this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is the upcoming processor from the Snapdragon. So yeah, this mobile comes with that processor, and it's gonna be a 5G processor. And when we talk about 5G, yeah, this mobile comes with almost 17 bands of 5G. And when we talk about these mobiles cameras, when we actually talk about, this is a gaming mobile. When we actually talk about gaming mobiles, those gaming mobiles lack in the camera section, but this mobile is not like that. This is an all-in-one mobile. When we talk about the cameras, yeah, it comes with a triple cameras at the back side and a front camera at the single camera. When we talk about the rear cameras, it comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, 64 megapixels of secondary periscopic zoom camera with optical image stabilization also, and a 50 megapixels of third ultra wide angle camera, and they can shoot up to 8K 30 fps. Yes. And for the front, I don't know why, but this mobile, according to the rumors, might comes with a 20 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, which can shoot up to 1080p 60 fps. Yeah. And when we talk about the variants, yeah, this mobile will be available in two variants mostly. Those are 12GB RAM 256 and 6GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. Now those are UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types, probably. Yes, those. With this combination we can expect great performance with this mobile. And this mobile also comes with a huge battery, that is a 5100 milliamp hours of battery. And this mobile, to charge this battery, it comes with a 120 watts of fast charge support through wire, and 50 watts of fast charge support through wireless, and 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. Yes, so these basically are the major features of this mobile. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile is not a IP68 water and dust resistant mobile. This mobile doesn't have any 3.5mm jack. This mobile has a stereo speakers which are Dolby supported. Yeah, and this mobile comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner Gen 3, third generation scanner that will be. And this mobile comes with the latest feature which is going to release only, that is a Bluetooth 5.4 and already released feature of Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi. Yes. And so these are the features of this mobile. And when we talk about the box contents, in the box you can get a phone, probably the charger with itself, and a Type-C to Type-C cable, and also SIM ejector tool and some guides, all those things, and a Type-C TPU case. So these are the things of this mobile. And when we talk about the major thing, there is a price. Yes, according to the rumors, this mobile might comes with a price tag of 59,999 rupees, almost 60,000 rupees for the base variant. And for the top end variant, there is a 16GB RAM variant that will be comes at 65,000 rupees, almost like 64,999 rupees, 65,000 rupees. And these are going to be released in three colors: black, white, and red colors. I mean, like the other shady color. So these are the features of this mobile. So if you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video until now. By the way, if you are watching this video until now, hitting the like button and also hitting the subscribe button will be a good thumbs up with this video. So let's continue.